Starting strong at number 25, this gleaming block of milled aluminum keeps a Pi 5 ice cold without a single fan. Speaking of retro charm, imagine a 1987 laptop shell brought back to life with a modern Pi 4 brain. Retro outside, lightning inside. But why stop at laptops? Print your own Walkman. Custom PCB plus Pi Pico 2 pumps crystal clear MP3s through any headphone jack. Budget build, about $50, and it can take a week of your time. Now for a storage revolution. Why settle for microSD? This genius mod sneaks an NVMe SSD into the new Pi 500 keyboard. Faster boot, bigger games, zero soldering required. Ready for something completely wild? Hundreds of LEDs flash custom memes across your face while you can still see perfectly. Here's pure genius. Old controller, new brain. A Pi crams entire retro game libraries inside the Gamepad itself. Plug in HDMI and play anywhere. Which console shell would you convert? Drop it below. From gaming to art, Pi-generated masterpieces on ultra-low power e-ink displays mean endless fresh decor, with zero cloud dependency. Gamers, you might like this one. 3D print the portal turret, add speakers plus Pi magic for motion-activated sound bites. Can be a perfect desk guardian. But here's where Pi gets serious. This isn't just a project. It's life-changing tech. Ultrasonic sensors plus GPS instantly alert family if someone needs help. $60 in parts could help someone you know. Back to fun. Charmander literally says, "Wake up!" via custom animations. Retro Game Boy case meets modern Pi guts. Morning routine upgraded. Tired of sneaker netting files? This Pi Zero trick makes any printer or CNC think Wi-Fi USB sticks are totally normal. For the STEM nerds, learn real-time signal processing by literally seeing your voice dance in beautiful patterns. Could be a perfect classroom demo that actually teaches. Why stream when you can own the vibe? Push buttons, spin your favorite tunes, bask in RGB glory. Your personal mini jukebox for about $100. This looks like a Nintendo Switch but runs everything from NES to GameCube flawlessly. You might like this one. A clock that never shows the same pizza twice. AI generates fresh slices every hour. Mind blown yet? Two Pi Picos working as CPU and GPU prove you can build a legitimate pocket computer for just $40. Hackage pirates, your days are numbered. Remote locks, tamper alarms, and instant smart alerts, all powered by a tiny Pico W. Your packages finally fight back. Next comes live video transformed into scrolling text art. Picture this. Instant print selfie cam, the size of your palm. No soldering, just snap and hand out stickers in seconds. Imagine bringing this to class. Take a picture, create instant stickers. Might be the coolest project in your class. Now we're talking premium. Hand-milled walnut shell plus Pi 5 power can equal the classiest cyberdeck on planet Earth. Ready to hack in absolute style? This creeper doesn't just look scary, it has AI vision and actually sees you coming. The ultimate prank bot that knows exactly when to strike. Prepare for hypnosis. This art robot draws infinite Zen patterns all day long. Friends might ask if you bought it at a high-end gallery. Data visualization meets expert-level 3D printing. Fiber optic trains light up, showing where real NYC subways are moving right now. Pure magic, invisible screens floating in midair with full Harry Potter vibes. $50 in parts. Creates something that looks impossible. The champion, because humans got smart homes, why shouldn't cats? Heated floors, weather stations, automatic doors. Which build are you tackling first? Drop that number below, smash subscribe, and keep the journey going with Pi 5 complete setup appearing right here. See you in the next one.